Welcome to everyone. Today we discuss about expression for the bending arm moment. Let us consider portion of beam to be bent into a circular arc as shown in figure. Then EF is the neutral axis. Let R the radius of curvature of the neutral axis and theta the angle suspended by it at center of curvature C. Filament above EF. Inga filament EF above இருக்கிறது elongated and filament EF கீழே to be compressed. Let A be a filament at a distance z from the neutral axis. Then the length of this filament A dash B dash before bending equal to that the corresponding filament on neutral axis AB. நமக்கு original length of the filament இந்த A and B க்கு வந்து original length of the filament இந்த A and B க்கு இடைப்பட்ட தொலைவு என்னன்னு நம்ம கால்குலேட் பண்ணணும். அதுதான் வந்து original length ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். So original length AB, original length A dot B equal to the radius of curvature R and angle theta. அதுதான் வந்து original length. So original length equal to R dot theta. It's the original length of the beam. Then we want to calculate extended length. We want to calculate extended length. Is the extended length? Inga A dash B dash, that's called the extended length அப்படி சொல்லலாம். சரிங்களா? Extended length நம்ம calculate பண்ணணும். So extended length equal to A dash B dash equal to R plus Z into theta. It's called the extended length of the beam. Then we want to calculate increase in its length. நம்ம வந்து increase in its length மட்டும் calculate பண்ணணும். So increase length calculate பண்ண என்ன பண்ணணும்? Extended length minus original lengthல வந்து separate பண்ணா increase length நம்மளுக்கு கிடைத்துவிடும். So increase in its length equal to A dash B dash minus A dot B dot equal to, we know already extend length A dash B dash equal to R plus Z in theta minus here A dot B what? Original length. Original length உடைய distance எவ்வளவு? R dot theta. Then இங்கே R plus Z இருக்குல்ல, இந்த R plus Z வந்து R plus Z in theta இருக்கு. So இந்த theta வந்து R க்கும் பொதுவா இருக்கும் and Z க்கும் பொதுவா இருக்கும். இந்த theta வந்து உள்ள எடுத்துட்டு மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணா R theta plus Z theta இருக்கும். So இங்க plus R theta க்கும் minus R theta க்கும் cancel ஆயிட்டு remaining term equal to Z dot theta. It's the வந்து நம்மளுக்கு என்ன increase in its length equal to Z dot theta அப்படின்னு நம்மளுக்கு கிடைக்கும். Then linear strain அப்படின்னு என்ன? Linear strain என்ன? Change in dimension divided by original dimension. It's called the strain. And also we want to know what you mean by stress. Stress is nothing but force per unit area. அதுதான் வந்து நம்ம stress ன்னு சொல்லுவோம். So linear strain equal to increase in length divided by original length. நமக்கு increase in length அதோட வேல்யூ என்ன? Z dot theta. It's the increased length divided by original length. Original length R dot theta equal to Z divided by R. It's the linear strain. If E is the Young's modulus of the material, E equal to stress divided by linear strain. நமக்கு stress மட்டும் போதும். ஸோ stress ரைட் சைடு வச்சுட்டு இந்த linear strain வந்து லெஃப்ட் சைடு எடுத்துட்டு வந்தா stress equal to E multiply linear strain. என்ன stress equal to E cross linear strain equal to E into Z divided by R. It's called the stress value. If del A is the area of cross section of the filament. If del A is the area of the cross section of the filament. So the tensile force on the area del A equal to tensile force எப்படி கால்குலேட் பண்ணலாம் stress into area அதுதான் வந்து tensile force equal to stress multiply area equal to E dot Z divided by R into multiply del dot A. This equation called as tensile force. சரிங்களா? Then moment of this force about the neutral axis EF equal to E dot Z divided by R multiply del A dot Z equal to E divided by R del A dot Z square. Then the sum of the moment of force acting on all the filaments equal summation E divided by R del A dot Z square equal to E divided by R summation del A dot Z square. Then inge summation of del A dot Z square is called the geometrical momentum of inertia of the cross section of the beam about the axis through its center of perpendicular to the plane of bending. It's written as equal to A dot K square க்கு equal இருக்கும். இந்த வேல்யூ ஆனது இந்த A dot K square க்கு equal இருக்கும். So summation of del A dot Z square equal to A dot K square. இங்க A என்பது என்ன? Area of cross section and K என்பது radius of creation. But sum of moment of force acting on all the filaments is the internal bending moment which comes into play due to elasticity. Thus, bending moment of a beam equal to E dot A K square divided by R. Thus, bending moment of a beam equal to E A K square divided by R. இதுதான் வந்து momentum of a beam உடைய formula. Then இதில் வந்து நம்ம ஒரு 3 கேஸ் பார்க்க போறோம். So for a rectangular beam of breadth B and depth, that means thickness D, A equal to B dot D and K square equal to D square divided by 12. So finally we get A K square value is A K square equal to B D cube divided by 12. Then second one, for a beam of circular cross section of radius R, A equal to 5R square and K square equal to R square divided by 4. Then A square equal to 5R for 4 divided by 4. Then third find E dot A K square is called the flexural rigidity of the beam.